Legal Assistance for Seniors Housing Team serves Alameda County tenants 60 years and older, regardless of their income. Our priority is to assist tenants who are under threat of eviction, although we also help tenants with unlawful rent increases, habitability issues, negotiating move-out agreements, as well as reasonable accommodations. Our goal is to ensure housing stability for older adults. Particularly in my field, because I work with our housing department, I get a lot of calls from older tenants who are very unaware of all the rights and protections that exist and are there for them. So we talk with some people who are prepared to move out the day they get a 60-day notice, when really there's a chance that's not even a valid notice, and there's a lot more to that process. So it's very gratifying to be able to explain something that seems so complicated and parse it down into the steps and how that impacts our clients. The COVID-19 pandemic, I think, only made our housing team's goal of ensuring housing stability for older adults all the more imperative, given the pre-existing California affordable housing crisis, compounded with the severe health risks and economic instability that our clients were facing as a result of the pandemic. That goal just became all the more imperative. Fortunately, though, both state and local legislative bodies enacted eviction moratoria, which added layers of protection to those that tenants might already have. So our housing team has spent a great deal of the pandemic counseling tenants across the county about these protections.
So how I help my clients, I actually provide them like one-on-one case management. And so I actually meet with them to sit down and speak to them on some of the obstacles that they're facing, trying to locate housing. So I actually provide them with like support and to encourage them, because they always want to give up, especially being, up in age, being a senior. Just giving them the support that they need and just tell them that we're going to get through it. And it's me and them, so they're not by themselves.
The thing I think about the most is how much the housing crisis in the Bay Area has affected older adults, particularly disproportionately affecting BIPOC older adults. And what I think about a lot is the ways in which older adults are so involved in all of these neighborhood, local, cultural institutions, and all of the just the depth of knowledge, of wisdom, and the role that they play in passing all of that down to future generations. And so, part of what we're hoping to accomplish too in preventing in all of our housing work, and really in all of our work, is kind of plays a role, public benefits, housing, elder abuse. It's kind of all tied up in keeping folks where they are and really preventing displacement.
If you'd like more information about legal assistance for seniors, please find us online by going to www.lashicap.org.